Have you heard about purple cabbage and its health benefits? Purple cabbage is more than just a colorful garnish. It's an incredibly nutritious vegetable with many health benefits. This video will uncover how purple cabbage can help support your body's physical and mental well-being. We'll explore 21 health benefits of purple cabbage that make it a valuable addition to any diet. 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Purple cabbage is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin B6, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Vitamin C is essential for immune system function, wound healing, and collagen production. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, skin health, and immune system function. Potassium is necessary for heart health, and calcium and magnesium are both essential for bone health. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Purple cabbage contains several anti-inflammatory compounds which give it its vibrant color. These compounds help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, which can improve digestive health and reduce the risk of inflammatory bowel diseases and Crohn's disease. 3. Cancer prevention. Purple cabbage contains several compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds help to prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. Studies have shown that consuming cruciferous vegetables such as purple cabbage can help to reduce the risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, lung, and colon cancer. 4. Lowers cholesterol levels. High cholesterol levels are a major risk factor for heart disease. Purple cabbage contains fiber and antioxidants that can help lower cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that consuming purple cabbage can reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and increase HDL, good cholesterol levels, which can help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. 5. Regulates blood pressure. High blood pressure is another major risk factor for heart disease. Purple cabbage contains potassium, which is a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Consuming purple cabbage can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. 6. Improves blood circulation. Purple cabbage contains anthocyanins, which are compounds that give the vegetable its purple color. Anthocyanins have been shown to improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation in the body. Improved blood circulation can help lower the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. 7. Digestive health. Purple cabbage is a great source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining good digestive health. It can help to keep the digestive system running smoothly and prevent constipation. In addition to fiber, purple cabbage contains other nutrients that are beneficial to digestive health. 8. Promotes healthy gut flora. Purple cabbage is also beneficial for promoting healthy gut flora. The gut's home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. Eating purple cabbage can help to increase the number of good bacteria in the gut, which can improve overall gut health. This can lead to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and a reduced risk of certain diseases. 9. Prevents ulcers. Purple cabbage has also been shown to be effective in preventing ulcers. Ulcers are painful sores that can develop in the stomach or small intestine. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, alcohol consumption, and certain medications. Purple cabbage contains compounds that can help to protect the lining of the stomach and prevent the development of ulcers. 10. Rich in antioxidants. Purple cabbage is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can cause cell damage and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Purple cabbage contains anthocyanins, which are a type of antioxidant that give cabbage its purple color. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect the body from oxidative stress. 11. Fights infections. Purple cabbage is also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps white blood cells function properly, which can help fight infections. Additionally, purple cabbage contains sulfur compounds, which have antibacterial and antiviral properties. These compounds can help fight off infections and boost the immune system. 12. Anti-aging properties. The antioxidants found in purple cabbage can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can accelerate the aging process. Purple cabbage contains high levels of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C also helps to boost collagen production, which can help keep your skin looking firm and youthful. 13. Treats acne and eczema. Purple cabbage contains sulfur compounds that have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help to reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne and eczema. Purple cabbage also contains vitamin A, which can help regulate the production of sebum, the oil that can clog pores and lead to acne breakouts. 14. Weight loss. Purple cabbage is an excellent choice for those seeking to lose weight. It's low in calories and high in fiber, making it a perfect addition to any weight loss diet. 1 cup of chopped purple cabbage contains only 28 calories, making it a great option for those who want to reduce their calorie intake. By replacing high-calorie foods with purple cabbage, individuals can reduce their overall calorie intake without sacrificing volume or taste. 15. High in fiber. Purple cabbage is high in fiber, which can help individuals feel full for longer periods of time. This can lead to a reduction in overall calorie intake and may aid in weight loss. Additionally, fiber helps regulate digestion and can prevent constipation. 16. Rich in vitamin K for bones. One of the key nutrients found in purple cabbage is vitamin K. This vitamin is essential for the production of a protein that helps to build and maintain healthy bones. Vitamin K also helps to regulate calcium levels in the body, which is important for bone health. Studies have shown that consuming foods rich in vitamin K, such as purple cabbage, can help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 17. Prevents macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is a common eye condition that can lead to vision loss. The antioxidants in purple cabbage, such as vitamin C and anthocyanins, can help protect the eyes from damage that can lead to macular degeneration. In addition, purple cabbage is a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. Vitamin A helps maintain the health of the cornea, the transparent outer layer of the eye, and is also important for good vision in low light conditions. 18. Promotes hair growth. Purple cabbage is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to hair and helps it grow. Vitamin C also helps the body absorb iron, which is necessary for healthy hair growth. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss. Additionally, purple cabbage contains sulfur, which is a mineral that helps with hair growth. Sulfur is necessary for the production of keratin, which is the protein that makes up hair. Sulfur also helps increase blood circulation to the scalp, which can promote hair growth. 19. Improves cognitive function and brain health. Studies have found that consuming purple cabbage can improve cognitive function, including memory and concentration. This is likely due to the high levels of anthocyanins found in purple cabbage. Anthocyanins are antioxidants that can help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to cognitive decline. In addition, purple cabbage is also a good source of vitamin K, which has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. 20. Detoxifies the liver. Purple cabbage contains sulfur compounds that help the liver to detoxify harmful substances. These compounds activate enzymes in the liver that neutralize toxins and make them easier to eliminate from the body. In addition, purple cabbage is high in antioxidants, which protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. 21. Prevents kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard mineral deposits that form in the kidneys and can cause pain and discomfort. Purple cabbage is rich in potassium, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Potassium helps regulate the amount of calcium in the body, which is a major component of kidney stones. By keeping calcium levels in check, potassium can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 5 health benefits of cabbage water, juice, and leaves. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.